Hello? Is anyone here yet? Give me just a second. I'll send out a parent square real quick. Sorry I was a little late. Is anyone here? Is anyone here? Good morning. I was running a little behind. I'm wondering if anyone's here. I don't even have all of my materials ready. Probably because I haven't had my coffee yet. Hi, Danny. How are you this morning? Good, I hope. See, it looks like everyone's having a hard time, so I'm just going to make a post. Doo-doo-doo. Be right back. Is anyone else here? Danny, I'm so glad you figured it out, girl. I have one more thing I have to go get since just you, and I know that other people are trying to get on. Let me put some music on while we're waiting. Do-do-do-do-do. So people know that we're here. Just be right back. Be right back. Do we have more people? Hi, Justin. Hi, Gabby. Hi, William. Let's see. We can just send the link. Copy. Do-do-do. It's hard for me not to sing. I don't think you guys need to hear that first thing in the morning. YouTube link. Okay. Post now. All right, hopefully that helps. Hi, James. Justin, I like that sass this morning with those sunglasses, and I think I need a pair. My brain's not functioning yet, but I got space buns for Jada. Hi, Aubrey. So hopefully she tunes in. Gonna post some paper. Use my kitchen cabinets for our board. Hope that works for everybody. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can y'all see that? Do I need to like zoom in or something? Can y'all see? Danny, what am I listening to? I was listening to Adele, but I'll turn it off. Don't you worry. It's done. Gabby, it's not weird. I was just trying to let everyone know I was here while I was waiting. Hopefully, has Alex gotten on yet? Wait, I know Alex is ready. He's trying. I think Miles is trying also. So just wait for those two because I know they're looking for it right now. I don't want to start without them. What do you guys think? Who has better space buns? Jada or Miss Liebert? I know Jada does. Okay. Reply. You guys hear my speedy typing fingers? Neither. What are you saying neither for, Justin? All right, what was the last lesson some of you guys did? I know some of you turned in 16, 17. Does everyone have paper and pencil with them? Let me know if you have paper and pencil. Danny, do you have paper and pencil? Is that what you're saying yes to? Hi, Louie. All right, get paper and pencil so that you can do some of this stuff with me, okay? Just like math. Hi, Isabel. Hi, Luke. Oh my God, I'm so proud of you guys for making this happen. You guys are doing such a good job. Hi, Luke again. I'm still waiting for Alex and Miles because we got to get finished by 9:45 so that we can do our read aloud, which we know is way more fun than math. But we got to get this math in. We'll see if they found it. See, nothing's different. Just the little doot-to-doos from my kitchen instead of from the classroom. Okay. Alex is here. Great. All right, friends. So you all have kind of had to do, are we ready? Back to your normal. Yes, Aubrey. All right, are you guys ready? Let me know if you're ready. Alex is ready. James is ready. Danny's going to throw up, but she'll be fine. Luke's ready. All right. So this is going to be a little bit different for me because the reading I know how to make work without you guys, but the math I'm not really sure because I don't really have you here with me. So let's take this like baby steps. All right, let's take baby steps and see how this works, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm just going to review kind of everything with you. So you don't have a specific lesson to look at because you guys are all kind of in different places. You guys have been turning your work in, which is awesome. But you guys are all kind of in different places by one or, one may be ahead, one may be behind, which is totally fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some questions. I'm going to try to make sure you can see what I'm doing. And we're just going to do a review, okay? So if I talk about rows and columns, remember that we row a boat sideways, right? So rows go this way, and our columns go up and down, right? Okay, so that being said, I'm trying to use the darkest color I have, which is purple, so hopefully, can y'all see that? Can you see? Okay, Isabel, we're not doing a specific lesson. I'm just doing a review. Okay, so just so we can review. So if we go like this, if we do that, who can tell me how many rows I have? How many rows? Type in the number of rows for me. Who's going to be first? Who's going to be first? Luke got it. 3 rows. I want everyone to answer me, though, so I know you're all paying attention. How many rows? Oh. Hey, Mia. I'm seeing everybody answer 3. Just remember our rows go like this. So we have 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. Could y'all see that marker? You see that color, or is it too light? Try a different color. Is that better? 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. Can you see that? Good job, everybody. I'm gonna open my door. The heat's on its hot. Hold on. Okay, so that being said, how many columns do we have? How many columns? Danny, you don't have to type it 7,500,000 times. But I like your enthusiasm. How many columns? How many columns? 4. Good. All right, who can show me the repeated addition equation for this one? Who can show me the repeated addition equation? I'm gonna see if y'all are right. Repeated addition equation. Who can show me? Might be tricky on your phone or tablet or whatever you're using to show me what the repeated addition equation will be. Alex, you're close. You went backwards again, buddy. Remember? 3 groups of 4. So 3 times 4, or 3 plus 3 plus 3. Good job, guys. I'm impressed with you guys to figure that out on how to do it on the computer. It would have taken me forever. Okay. So we know that this would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12, right? Y'all see that? Because remember, we want to do row plus row plus row. Hold on a second. We got a parent trying to figure something out. Do-do-do. Okay. All right, so looks like, Louie, remember we're not doing the columns. We're doing the rows plus the rows plus the rows. Okay, does that make sense? So it would be 4 plus 4 plus 4, or 3 times 4. Does that make sense to everybody? You want to try one more before we go to the next thing? All right, let's try one more. I think I like this blue marker a little bit better than, oh, paper's down, than the other one. Okay, so how about this one? Are we ready? Ready for the next array? Okay, so if we have all right, can everyone see that one? Okay, I want you to tell me how many columns I have first. How many columns are there? How many columns? 3, good. Justin, what's your question? Oh, okay. All right, how many rows? How many rows? How many rows, friends? How many rows? Five rows. Alex, count again. Awesome. So I'm not going to tell you how many I have. I want you to tell me how many circles I have with your repeated addition equation. How many do I have? How many total circles do I have? Good, Luke. Good, Louis. Danny, remember it's the rows by the columns. Alex, good. Danny, look at your equation again. Right, you got the answer. Good, Isabel. Where do I live? I live in Mooresville, but we're talking about math, James. Danny, did you resend me your equation? Justin. Danny, resend me your equation, girlfriend. Danny. Just want to make sure that we're all on the same page. All right, now we can move on. Good job. All right, so my next one, I'm going to give you a group of items. Well, I'm not going to give them to you. I'm going to show you a group of things, and then you guys are going to tell me if it's even or odd and how you know. Okay, so it's not just enough to tell me if it's even or odd. You have to tell me how you know. Does everyone understand the task? Luke. We know you're Luke. All right, does everyone understand what I'm asking you to do? So I'm going to show you some things, and you're going to tell me if it's even or odd and why. Got it? Okay. Okay, so what you might want to do on your paper is draw those circles, and then you're going to figure out if there's an even or an odd amount. Excuse me, my sleeper's tired this morning. You're going to figure out if there's an even or odd amount of those circles, and then tell me how you know. Go ahead and do that right now on your piece of paper at home. Hi, James. Justin Ewert, is that Bennett? Isabel's saying even, but how do you know? Isabel, how do you know it's even? Justin says odd. Luke is saying because 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Odd. I'm going to give you a few more seconds so that you can get a few more answers. A lot of you were telling me, Justin, so how do we know 9 is odd though? That's what I want to know. So you guys are telling me odd or you're telling me even. Gabby, you're saying because there's 9, but what does that mean? How do I know 9 is not even? This is the part that I wanted to make sure I talked to you guys about. Hey, Bennett. Odd because you cannot split it. Danny, you're the closest one. Okay, look. Here's 2 ways to figure out if we're even or odd, okay? Are y'all ready? So this one has a partner, this one has a partner, this one has a partner, there's a partner, there's one left out. Do you see that? Justin, you can split it in half. You can't split it in half, right? Can everyone see how I made the partners? I can't tell. It looks so small on my screen. Can you all see how I did that? Okay. The other way that you could do it is if you were trying to make teams. I'm trying to get my darker markers. So if we were trying to make teams, we know we have 9, right? So we could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there would be 5 on this team and 4 on this team. You see that? Is that better? Can you see how I did that? Hi, Leslie. Okay. All right. So we have to stop math for a minute because we promised everybody that we would do another read aloud. So if you want, we will come back to math. So any of you that want to come back for like a couple minutes to finish, we can do that. But we got to switch over to math or switch over to reading because I promised a whole bunch of people another read aloud. So I'm going to close out of this and open a new one so that everyone can find it. Does that sound good? Give me a quick thumbs up if you're ready for that. Today's read aloud is going to be much shorter than yesterday's, but I think you guys will like the book better. We good? Okay. Good, Bennett. All right, I'm going to close out and I'll be right back, okay?